Hey you! Yeah, you there, with that potent, garlic-infused breath. Ever been caught in a situation where you've savored a garlicky dish, but are about to get up close and personal with people? And you're left asking, how do I get rid of this vampire-repelling breath? Well, you're in luck. Today we're going to unravel the science behind garlic breath and show you how to send it packing. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, you're probably thinking, what's the deal with garlic, anyway? Let's break it down. Garlic has sulfur compounds like allyl methyl sulfide. And these little guys are the ones who set up camp in your mouth and lungs, causing the dreaded garlic breath. Kinda like party guests who just won't leave, huh? Here's where it gets interesting. A study from Ohio State University in 2016 found some unexpected heroes in the fight against garlic breath. They are apples, lettuce, and mint. And they work because they have enzymes and phenolic compounds that can neutralize the sulfur compounds in garlic. So, having these after your garlic meal can make you smell like you've never seen a garlic in your life. Step 1. Eat an apple, lettuce, or mint. Simply munch on them post-meal. It's like an edible breath freshener. Imagine biting into a juicy apple or the crisp, cool crunch of lettuce. Not a big fan of these? How about savoring the fresh, zingy burst of mint? It's nature's way of saying, hey, we've got your back. But what if you're not in the mood for these? No problem, there's always milk. Yup, you heard that right. A study from the Science, Food, and Agriculture Journal back in 2010 found that drinking milk while eating garlic can significantly reduce garlic breath. Just sip on some milk with your meal. Think of it as a creamy sidekick to your garlicky main dish. Step 2. Drink milk with your garlic meal. A glass of cold milk, or maybe a warm latte if you're feeling fancy. The creaminess cuts through the heat, it's a taste sensation, plus you're tackling that garlic breath. Win-win. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, or any other garlic breath remedies you've tried. Now, if all else fails, and you're caught garlic-handed without any of these around, remember this: water and good oral hygiene are your best friends. Brushing, flossing, and rinsing with mouthwash regularly not only keeps your chompers healthy, but it also helps in keeping garlic breath at bay. So, never underestimate the power of good, old-fashioned dental hygiene. There you have it. Your guide on how to get rid of garlic breath. So, the next time you have that delicious, garlicky pasta, you won't have to worry about scaring away your friends. Enjoy your meal, and remember, we've got you covered.